I'm Miss Liz from the Valley Community Library, a Gold Star library and part of the Lackawanna County Library System. Today begins our Winter Reading Challenge. Reading takes you places. It's true, reading can take you on adventures all over the world without leaving home. Read 15 to 20 minutes a day and see how many reading and activity challenges you can complete on the Beanstack app. There will be printed copies of the logs available at the library for your convenience if you need them. We are so excited because we have a very special guest. Sandy Graham from 4-H and Penn State Extension will be presenting a program called Cooking Capers on Zoom on Tuesday evenings at 6 o'clock for kids and teens. And she will teach you how to prepare some yummy dishes inspired by different countries from around the world. So stay tuned for registration information at the end of this video. Be sure to register by emailing us today. Oh, and look, you get free goodies when you register. Thank you. Happy cooking. See you soon.